Jamaica Shore Fishing Catch the vibes. Pull it up. Pull it up, 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 pull it up. Sun bust early on the Caribbean blue. Riding on me and yeah, me know what to do. Man take go be a breeze, kiss my face. Salt for my skin, yeah, me day in my place. Camera rolling, whole crew live. When the line starts scream, you know, say we arrive. Real spin fast, heartbeat quick. From the sea to the screen, yeah, we never miss.
When the water start boil and the rod them bend, every man pon deck knows say this a win. Pull it slow, hold it firm, don't rush the fight. When Jamaican shore fishing, they are it right.
Talk Jamaican shore fishing, pull it in. Pop big wave rock, yeah, we ride in the wind.
Ooh, got him. Fish on, guys. Ooh, fish on. Oh, fish on, guys. Ooh, fish on. Gotcha. Ooh, gotcha. Big lizard fish. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. On our way out on the water this morning, guys, I was out shooting a video with Zaza Italiano yesterday. We was out all afternoon. Got up a little bit, not really late. Got up on time this morning and just decided I'm gonna push out before I shoot out with him and shoot some more videos today. So pretty much moving him around, guys. I'm not really shooting on his shoot, but you know my content already. My content is straight fishing. We do fishing content and we out this morning early, and this is what pushed us to get up so early in the morning, guys, because we love this and this is what we do for real. But thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Make sure you smash that thumbs up each and every time. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. And stay tuned this morning, and let's see what we can hook up on, guys. Love you guys. Bless up yourself. Woo-woo. Shore fishing. This is where we start our video, guys. And the walk to go in to these spots that I go into. The sun's not fully up yet. It's about 6:38, 6:40-ish in the morning. There's still dew on these grass. I'm getting wet. And I'm solo, as usual. Kind of switched up the program a bit and doing our thing. Big up yourselves. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Just please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. And just stay tuned in for more excellent hookups. The water looks amazing down here. I don't see as much seaweed. I see like jack activity moving around down there. So I guess the bait fish is back. That's good. But let's do this. So, yeah, guys. So thank you guys. And big up to Real Flankers, guys. Check out Real Flankers. I don't know if he has posted any new videos yet. I haven't even seen any notifications. But big him up all the way. The rocks here look all right. I can go down a little bit further, but there's a landslide back that side. I don't think I go that far, but we can take a chance on it. I don't know. Well, I'll work the rocks across. I mean, it's not going to bother me much. Let's see what's up. We'll work from this side first. The sun's just peeking over that hill now, so by the time it kicks up the right way, I'm going to get a good little sunlight over here on this corner. And I picked up that barrow down here last week. I don't know if there's any more. It might have came back, but let's check it out and see what we can hook up on, guys. You know how we do it at Jamaican Shore Fishing. We stay active all the time and keep activity active. All right, let's get this camera on the head and make sure we're focused. Yeah, this is my new camera, guys. I gotta take care of it, man. Trust me. Don't want to run no jokes with that. Definitely not. Let's check these rocks out here. This big rock. See if I can stand on here and see what the reefs look like. And I got a little tangle up there. Check your rod. I have an issue with the tip of this rod, guys. I got to get it fixed. I got to fix it, not get it fixed. But let's get a cast or two in here and see what's up on this side. There's some reefs up there. I got to be careful. Oh man, my hook got caught on the line. Why am I not getting a good swim? All right. Let's see what's up, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We're swimming good now. Good deal. Cast out, guys. Get that lure in there, guys. Nice size yellowtail would be nice like the last time, right guys? Whoop whoop. That monster of a barra that I lost out here the other day, guys, crazy. It was on the other side back over there. I lost that big barra, or whatever it was. I still couldn't lay sight on that thing yet. That was crazy. It's just so peaceful when you fish by yourself at times. I just love this. This is the life. Sometimes the whole extra talking and fishing just destroys the whole motive and the whole environment. Nothing. I get female cast. We'll walk back this way, and if I don't pick anything up by then, we're gonna switch up. We'll go to a different spot, and that's what I normally do. I look it to cook it, guys, and that's what I'm basically. Ooh, I got hit. Shit. Ah. I got hit by something a while ago, guys. Big jack. It's a big jack, guys. Big jack. Big jack hit it a while ago and missed. Big jack. Ooh, I just seen him. He's right there running around. Damn it, boy. That was a good hit. Big boy just hit it a while ago. Damn it, boy. That was a hit, boy. Yeah, shore fishing. That was a close one, man. That was a huge jack. That was like a good 3-pounder, guys. I seen him. He ran up right here after, in fact, he hit that line. He didn't hit it good enough, guys. Came right off of it. I was just saying that was gonna move. Crazy, right? All right, we're gonna move back this way a bit. Big jack just hit that line a while ago. That's a good, and I saw him. I could see him straight through the water, guys. It was crazy. I got a good visual on him a while ago, but I just want a higher view. Bird's eye view up here. Dropping that sunlight out there and get that glitter off that lure. Nothing there. I guess they shift. Jacks move up and down for bait fish, guys. That's what they do. So I'm gonna work this a bit, go down that way. And if I don't pick anything up, like I said, I'm gonna move around to the other side, but I have to drive around. I'm not gonna walk across today. That's crazy. That's a lot of work. I normally would do it today, guys, but I haven't even had any breakfast yet or nothing, not even coffee, guys. I had like a cup, but kind of ran out of filters, and I see Jack's chasing. Oh my God, where you at, Betsy? Come on, bite onto Daddy's rod. That sun's just peeking. That's the thing with this line. I get good distance on it. That's why I like using a light setup. It gives me distance. I'll lose a little bit of strength, but I get the distance. You just can't manhandle the fish with a light setup. And it's just awesome. Well, big up to Yam. Yam's always ultra light setup, boy. He's serious, 6-pound line and everything, and that's some serious finessing and fighting a fish right there. Haven't fished with Yam in a bit. You gotta get out there with me soon, Yam. Stop just watching the videos, buddy, and get out. Hey guys, this is what we do for real. We come out here and we look it to cook it, guys, and that's what we're doing. Literally looking it to cook dinner. That's how when we're in the mood for the seafood or fish, I come out and I hunt it fresh, straight to the kitchen. No joke. Shoot. All right, guys, waiting for damn jack, boy. I seen that jack, man. I'm like, man, the size of that monster, boy, that would have been good. One good big jack like that, me and Laurie would have been nice. Would have been all right. No complaints. Get around those black spots, the grassy spots, that's where the barras like to hang out, especially on them big rocks. They ambush in them spots. So when you cast around those spots, your chances of getting hooked on one of them is great, because they hang out to ambush anything that passes that area. The same thing with the jacks. They swim around these big rocks. Structure, that's what I said. Fish love structure. So, oh, I just got hit by a lizard fish or something and he let it go. Son of a gun. He just threw out the rocks right there a while ago. What the heck is it? You guys are just hitting my lure and letting it go today, guys? What's going on? Ooh, a barra, a small barra, guys. He missed it. It's a small barra. He's hiding under the rocks to the shores here. It's a little guy though. Not something I'm really interested in. Not your size. Nothing yet, guys. Hit and release today, guys. That's what they're doing. All right, we're gonna walk down a little bit more. We're not gonna go too far because I definitely want to go on the other side. I got a wicked hit over there last week and it got away. And that was totally my fault. But I wish I had open waters like this and not so many reef. And maybe I would have handled the situation a lot different. Tie my shoelace here before I trip. Definitely don't want to fall off any of these rocks. Well, thank you guys for joining the channel. Appreciate you guys. You guys been great. 11,000 subscribers, guys. We're climbing and we're working. And we're getting better and better every day with you guys. Without you guys, this wouldn't be possible. And I thank each and every one of you for watching the videos and liking up the videos, guys. We're hunting, guys. We're looking. We're searching. That's what we're doing here. Searching for anything that's going to grab on this lure this morning. I don't trust these rocks behind me. Rain fell down here lately. I got to be careful. And it, ooh, it missed. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch, he missed. What the hell that was? Must be a long jaw. Has to be. Drop it right back on top of him. Boys are not playing with me this morning. They're hurting up my nerves this morning, guys. Come on, stop doing. Oh, he hit it and let it go. You seen him jump out of that water a while ago. Damn long jaw. They love hitting wire. They hit the wire. They don't hit the. It's the wire that they glitter off of and they hit it. See, he did it again. Fast as frig, these men. Son of a gun. He's biting my wire, guys. Damn. And luckily, that's why I use wire leads, because if you stay out there, these long jaws will cut your lures off each time and they kink your wires and stuff. They have very sharp teeth, just like barra. A whole bunch of teeth. But once he starts rushing it, that means that lure is very, ooh, got him. Fish on, guys. Ooh, fish on, fish on, fish on. Got him. Haha. Shouldn't have bit my lure this morning, buddy. Ooh. Told you. Gotcha. You being a bad boy this morning. We had to get you. Shore fishing. That's what's up, guys. Long jaw. The hook hooked him in his back a couple of times, and he kept on going after it until he finally got caught. And gotcha. I'm gonna keep this guy. Not gonna put him back, because what happened is that I can use him for bait for something else later when I go drop lining. He hooked himself pretty good. You gotta be careful of these beaks, guys. When they flick around and stuff like that, they'll hurt you. These things go right through your legs, through your arms, anything. So you gotta be extremely careful when handling these fish. They're known to like fly through people's arms and legs and all kinds of stupid stuff. So I don't want to dirty my hands up, but I'm gonna have to. Let me get my pliers put away. Just keep that rod and keep tension on them. And get my hefty rag out. my mitts. Take away valuable fishing times for me, buddy. Hold on a second. Let me get you up. All right. He's hooked pretty bad. He ain't gonna survive. They don't really handle being put back. They don't handle being put back very well. You gotta get that hook out somehow. I don't know how the hell you got hooked like that, but goddamn. Dude, what were you trying? I never seen a hook a fish that way before. Oh my God, yo. What did you do to yourself, buddy? Got my lure back. Pain in the ass, ballyhoo. Well, we can stick you on the string, drop you in the cooler. We'll just lay you right here for now. Smell raw. All right, let's get back to work. Hang tight. You ain't going nowhere. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Let's see what's up. What I really wanted was one of them jacks. And they're famous for the spot, guys. Oh, fish on, guys. Woo! Fish on. Gotcha. Yellowtail. Look at this, guys. I knew I was going to hit one of these guys sooner or later. He's hit bad. He's hitting the stomach, guys. Oh, my God. Wow. Active day today, guys. Oh my God. Let me get this guy situated. I'm gonna have to, oh my God, grab this guy. Roll my hands up because they always cut my damn fish string when I have to string them up. Never stick your hand in their mouth. You hear me, guys? You guys would tear that shit off. See? This closes it as I go in there to get that damn needle. Can't help you, buddy. All right, there we go. Strung is up. Next candidate will be you, Mr. Yellowtail. Get you on a string. All right, come here. How you look? Look at that, guys. Look how beautiful this fish is. What do you guys think? All right, this guy's kind of small. Want to throw him back? Let him go. He's going. Yep, he's off. All right, we throw him back. But we're still gonna string this guy up. All right, get my hands clean back off, guys. Let's go at it. Got that yellow tail back, guys. Throw him back. He's kind of small. It's gonna be more active now when they see that sun comes out. All right. I'll move down a bit, past the little spot, and check down here, guys. I want to go past here, too tough, but let's see what's up. Jamaican Shore Fishing, Jamaican Lure Fishing. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Whoop whoop. Nothing yet, guys. Ooh, another long jaw hitting after it. All right, we're going to shift. We'll go to the next spot, guys. We're going to drop this guy in the cooler and head up the line. As you see, I call it with that yellowtail. Run that bait as far as I can from up there back. All right, let's go on the hunt, guys. We're on a different hunt. We got to go find ourselves a nice barra. Let's go find ourselves a nice barracuda. All right, let's grab our ballyhoo, our bait, because we're going to use him as bait to do other fishing. And he's all right. I'm going to try another cast down here again after that jack. Give it another shot. String right here. Ooh, gotcha. Big lizard fish. Whoop whoop. Lizard fish, guys, look at this. Whoop doop doop doop. Gotcha, you're hooked good, buddy. You couldn't get away from that one. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. 3 species in one morning. Check that out. Look it to cook it. That's what's up. All right, let's get this guy off these hooks. Get him on that string. I'm gonna keep this guy. He's eating, good eating fish. Nice fat one too. Calm down. I intend for you to put no hooks in my hands today, buddy. Let me get my lip grip tool here to give me some assistance on them jaws, because these bad boys have sharp teeth, and I definitely don't want to get hold. Yeah, hit my lure pretty hard, guy. Horrible little fella you be. Let's get you on the string. Jamaican shore fishing. Another one. Damn. Dude. Cut it out. Stop being a pain in the butt. I know it hurts, but I can't help you. On the string, buddy. Now you're on the string, buddy. Yeah, you got to take your time when getting these things off the lure, because last thing you need is a hook in your damn hands. All right, let's go at it again. Every time we say we're ready to move, I end up hitting something else. Let's cast over here a couple more times, and then we out. Going to the other spot that we intended to go to. And we might go over there and not pick anything up. That's the funniest thing. You want to get to that big rock right there? Get one cast that direction. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. This is spooky stuff. Landslides, some hurricane, rough seas, all of this stuff. So, have to be extremely careful when climbing on these rocks, guys. You don't know what's loose from not loose. All right, there's a grassy spot right here. Normally there's barras in this area, especially if there's bait fish. All right, let's do a side cast and get over there and see if we can work that lure back. See if we might hook something in there with that sunlight glittering off that lure. Oh, I heard divers. Yeah, man. All right, that's it. There's no more hits. I'm not getting any more chases. I'm gonna start heading back the other way, guys. I'm gonna start heading back around the other side. Cast a few more over there. My line's all tangled up right now. Oh no, it came loose. I see divers coming down the line, down the water. All right, we're gonna go around the other side, guys, and look for a jack or something. I think the jack's already passed, went down the line further, and seeding and moving. So I need to be moving with him, catch up with him, and hit him up. Come on, bro. All right, let's go, guys. We'll move and head over to the other side now. I think the bite says slow down here. That was 3 pickups already, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. All right, we're gonna head to the other side, see what's up. Stay tuned. Drop these boys in the cooler and go on a hunt. All right, guys, reached the other spot. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Appreciate you guys. I left the string this time, but I'm not worried about the string. I got my grip tool. Oh, I want to bring the stick just in case. I'm thirsty as hell. Should have got me something to drink before I came here. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, guys. Whew. Jamaican shore fishing. Water's looking amazing in here. Let's give it a shot in here real quick, guys. There's always some jacks in this little cove here at times, some big jacks too, guys. I always see them like this time of morning too. Always running around in here. Ooh, look at that barra, barra. I seen a barra. A nice barra's in here, guys. I don't want him to see me and get spooked. I seen him a while ago. He chased the lure down and turned away when he saw me. I guess he saw me already. All right. Where did he go? He was just right there. Normally I hit barrows over here, not here, but I just seen him a while ago, guys. I straight up saw him a while ago. When you hit a big fish in this open water, you have a little bit more control, especially if you have line. Especially on a light setup. When you're in tight quarters, like where you have to control your cast, you have to control the distance you go, all of that stuff really matters, because if there's reefs and stuff, one thing you don't want to do with a light line is chafe on it. And you try your best not to, guys. We're just checking this water, checking it. scanning it, and then we go up the line. If we don't pick anything, I seen that barra, he chased the line, he didn't grab. You don't want to spook him, just leave him alone. He'll come back around eventually when y'all cast again. Once I go up on these cannons, one of you guys was asking me about the history behind these cannons. This was an old fort a long time ago. And Tri-Hall, that's the old estate, Tri-Hall Estates. There's molasses and pimento and stuff like that back in the days. Kind of like an estate that dealt with farming, agriculture. But they had to protect it. So I guess that's why these cannons were in place. Nothing there. Water's crystal clear and laying flat this morning, guys. I got that one chase from that one barra just now, but he never bothered to chase it again. All right, we're gonna climb up top, see if we can get a bird's eye view up here, guys. On top of these cannons. Perfect. Bird's eye view with polarized shades. Good casting distance. Get some good results like that way. Can't possibly see where he went, but I know he was down there. Seeing big barras hanging out in these grass. Bait fish been back in the harbor lately, I heard. But I don't see any of them. I see a jack, small jack right there running around. All skitsy. Nothing, guys, that's weird. Here, it's one of them places, guys, that you don't miss no fish here. All right. That was a nice sized barra too, about 4 pounds, guys. At least that. Nothing. All right, we'll walk up the line, guys. Where I lost that big one. And we're gonna check that other pair over here. Cast out in here real quick while we're here joking around, moving through. Seen that barra a while ago, but that boy's just not picking up. I guess he's filled already, or he ate already. Not grabbing anything. He swam up on my lure, ran up in here a while ago, and then he turned back that direction, and that was the last I seen of him. Nothing. He got spooked, guys. I know he got spooked. He must have, because he would have been in the same area. And I know when he saw me cast the rod, that's when he got spooked. So, yeah, we're gonna have to go up on the rocks up there and see what we can pick up. Stay tuned. Shore fishing. Head up on top of the rocks up there and see if we can get a few casts in that same cove that I lost that bite last week. I don't know what it was, guys, so let's give it another shot and go up there and check it out and see if we can pick something up. Who knows? We might get lucky again. Who knows? He might grab onto it again. Now, that would be serious. That would be serious. I think I would be a little bit more prepared for that now, guys, than before. Especially with the expectancy of it being there. So, but it is what it is. That would cast right there, but sure, waste of time. Better off up here where there's more structure. Well, thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Appreciate you guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch ads, guys. Tune in for more epic videos like this. And double checking on my car. Everything seems to be in place. Told you that, guy. It's weird that I come over this side where the bait fish are supposed to be, and I'm not getting the action that I need to be getting. Over here is yellowtail territory and lizardfish territory. Jacks pass through here on a regular basis. But you got to be careful because there's reefs here. See? Same thing, guys. I have to make sure I keep it up high. So I need to get a bird's eye view when I cast in here because the sun kind of creates that glare. So you don't actually see the, you can't see the rock sometimes. And you gotta be extremely careful. If not, you find yourself losing lures and casting into the shores, hitching up and having to go for the lure or having to pop the lure off. So we try not to lose lures, right? See how this side look for casting. It's high tide now, so I should be okay. Sometimes it's high tide, it's pretty cool for me to cast on this side, but when it's not, yeah, I can cast within this reef and get away with it. All right, head on the other side. High tide, we're definitely gonna get a good cast on this side now. Stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing. I hope you guys enjoyed this content, guys. It's a lot of exercise, I tell you that much. Hope you like this kind of fishing. This is what I enjoy. This is that spot where I got that hit last week, guys. That took my lure. Wonder if that bad boy's back in town. It's right here casting. You hit the line right about there. Ooh, long jaw, you bastard. Tangle up your goddamn line, wire leads, everything, man. You again, you fucker. You don't want to catch you now, just for you doing that. Go ahead, hit it, you bastard, hit it. Big bastard. Hit it, I'm gonna let you catch it. You're gonna wanna hit it again. Come on, come and do it. Hit it. All right, there you go. Nothing, guys. That's that stupid long jaw that's messing with my line. I see you. Nothing. Last cast, and we out of here, guys. I think we're gonna take it in now. I'm getting kind of famished, thirsty, hungry, and I definitely have some engagements this morning. So, yeah. You're paying attention to this van out there that's parked up around in front of my vehicle. Have me kind of thinking here, guys. You know what I mean? So, oh, fish on, guys. Oh, damn. There's a yellowtail. Got away. Sneaky little bastard, boy. I think we're going to change color lures in a minute, guys. Fish on. Look at this little bugger. Look at this little guys. What's that? Can't believe he grabbed this, but we won't put him back. He's small. We don't keep these babies. Little baby snapper. Let's get him. See if we can get him back safely without hurting him here. He got hooked pretty good. Oh. I hate dealing with this. Damn, he's hurt. He got that hook in real good, guys. Damn, such a little fish. Grab him onto Sergola back in there. Here, guys. Well, like I was saying, getting kind of famished. And oh, so to head back in now and get my day together. Water is amazing this morning. All right. I just want to get one more cast in this cove after that barrel before I leave, guys. I'm gonna change this damn lure too. I think it's the color of the lure, because sometimes last week they was hitting that blue lure hard, and they're just not hitting the silver lure. I'm getting hit by other fish, but put the blue lure back on, blue Yazori. Hit it with the blue Yazori, and somebody was camping here, fishing overnight. See if it makes a difference with that blue Yazori. Black back. All right. One more cast over here, guys. I don't like giving up and leaving here like this, especially this spot. This is one of my HQ fishing grounds, and I see bait fish in the water, so has to be big fish about. Oop, almost lost my balance. Lizard fish, guys, look at this. Another one bites the dust. Damp, damp, damp. Another one bites the dust. Another one, guys. I saw him run up on it. Tricky bastard. Another one bites the dust. Sandfish, aka lizard fish. Good eating fish, guys. Catch them all the time. Calm down, you're not gonna put a hook in my hand this time, buddy. Where you going? Where you going? Just dance. Dance. And this blue lure is a striker. Told you guys. Oh shit. I hate when that happens. Hang tight. Alright. This blue lure is a killer. Puffer fish down there sitting on the bottom. It's chilling out. Let's give this another shot. That's what I did with the blue lure, guys. Blue Yazori. I might get a better result than the other crystal minnow. Black back with silver. Sometimes these fish are color picky at times. Hey, that when my nylon gets hitched on the wire lead, that sucks. That's no good. All right, guys. That's it. Ooh. Long jaw, you big bastard. Y'all really get on my nerves and not bite the line. Foolio. It'll be fast. Ooh, got you. Oh, man. All right. I'm gonna get you. Watch. I'm gonna catch you just for doing that. Good catching day though. All right, guys, we out of here. We're gonna look something to eat real quick. Put something in the system. Hydrate the body and stuff like that, and then head in. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. I appreciate you guys. Yellowtail snapper, long jaw, 2 lizard fish, a mangrove snapper a while ago, and that was good. Can't say I didn't get dinner though. Oh my God, some cooking oil.